All right, thanks everybody for being patient with us. We have spent quite a bit of time over the last, wow, year and a half, almost 2 years, working on getting the game together. And while it's definitely taken a lot longer than we would have expected, or we're hoping anyway, with all the COVID shutdowns and holidays and all that stuff, we're super excited to be able to finally show off the final game. We actually showed off the first production copies off the line at PAX Unplugged. So unfortunately, I'm going to show you is already punched because we only have one copy of the game on hand. Good news is that everything is boxed up and in containers, and we're just kind of waiting for the green light that things are on their way. We were hoping, or we were told originally, that it was going to be ready at the end of December, but it unfortunately, because of a number of different issues that they had, took a little longer. So right after the Chinese New Year, we expect those containers to get in the water. But in the meantime, let me show you guys some of the products that we're going to be releasing as part of the campaign. First, I want to show you guys the hardcovers. If any of you picked up the books, this is probably my favorite edition of the book that we've released. Nice hardcover, uncoated paper, and you'll see volume 1 and volume 2 both ready. We're actually exploring options for people that only got the books, if we can ship those out. But we're just seeing right now, we're moving all these books across the country. Next thing, so I'll show you is the miniatures. So if any of you back the miniatures independently, nice box, and you will see, just pull it out. They come in a nice plastic tray for each of the, so easily shippable, and all 10 minis come in it, not just the original 6 heroes. So all the stretch goal characters you will see also in the game as well. So pretty cool. Quickly, I will show you I'm not going to go open it because it's very similar, but this is the retail edition of the game. And then right here is the Boogeyman edition of the game. They are similar in size, but not quite the same. You'll see as I open, I'm going to put the retail edition down for a second. Boogeyman sleeve comes off, and it's very, very similar as far as the box. However, if you look, the sides are different. All of the sides of this box actually are Boogeyman related for the Boogeyman edition as well. You'll see there's a little stamp that sits on all the sides that tells you that it's the Boogeyman edition of the game. So even though the cover art is the same, it is a little bit different. So I'm going to open it up so you guys get to see what it looks like. So take the box top off. Sorry about the camera. No, I just dropped the box. And you can see right there, as soon as you open it up, it has the packing instructions for the game, and you will reveal the wooden toy chest. There are also these handy slats to make it easy to take things in and out on the sides. So as you lift it up, tray comes out first. This is really tight, actually. It holds up pretty well. And as you open that up, you'll see all of the miniatures. Oh, I have it backwards, but all the miniatures are in play right there. So you can see, each of the different stretch goal characters, as well as everybody else has their own home within the system. So it's super easy to unpack. In addition to that, there are some extra components, like you'll see the extra plastic coin and some of the other cardboard bits that come, and they just sit in this trough down here. Also the extra standees. So everything that's in the retail edition does fit inside the Boogeyman edition packaging as well. So it's really important. As you lift up, you get to see the exhaustion board, or the action board. There's art on the back too. For those of you who booked to the Boogeyman edition, you also get this 52-page comic that reveals the story of the Stuff of Legend. Takes you quite a bit of the way through volume 1. It's pretty cool, unique Boogeyman edition cover. This is exclusive to the Kickstarter. In addition to that, you get the 2 mini prints that we unlocked via stretch goals. And if you did the puzzles, you'll also get the puzzle mini print that's in there as well. And then, of course, the nice rule book. It's turned out really well. So far, so good. Haven't really seen any typos or anything like that, so fingers crossed. Next out is the map. This is giant. I'm not going to unfold it, but it's a huge map. Takes up a pretty big, good-sized table. And then inside, actually put this away real quickly for you, because you will see everything has, see if I can do this without tilting it. Everything has a nice little slot for it to go. There's also hidden cubbies underneath things, so things like the coin can pop in and out. So in either case, really, really excited. This could not have gone better as far as the final product. We're really, really excited about it, and excited to finally get it in your hands here sooner rather than later. Again, I'll apologize ahead of time for the lack of updates. There's been a lot going on trying to get everything in order, all the orders suited, chasing people's credit cards. We still have a number of people that still haven't submitted payments for shipping. So please, if you haven't, get those in there ASAP. There's still quite a few of you left. But in either case, that's not going to hold things up at this point. We have locked in all the orders. Everything is at the fulfillment centers as far as the actual who we're shipping to, quantities, and then the additional materials, some of the add-ons. But in either case, thanks everybody for watching, and thank you so much for supporting this campaign. We cannot wait to hear what all of you think when you get these in your hands. Thank you.